Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Welcome back. Let's discuss right now the fully automated way to automate your dropshipping process. So what is automation? Automation is basically when you rely on software to automate everything you do. In our case, for dropshipping, there's a lot of softwares out there you can use. Just from the back of my mind, I chose to show you today a software that's pretty much used by a lot of dropshippers, which is Spocket. So this app can be integrated with your store, of course, after you create the store, and we're going to talk about apps in details and how to add them on your store. And we're going to add a bunch of apps to make our store rock and look great. So after you add that app on your store, once the customer places an order, the order is carried out automatically and even delivered to the customer, and payments are carried out automatically, which is not the case if you would want to do this normally. Because if you do this manually, then you'll have to take care of everything else. You have to take care of the payment. You have to take care of all of that, processing the payment. But with this app, you don't need to do all of that. The app we're talking about here, Spocket, starts from $29, which is the starter plan, and the Pro plan is at $49.99. The Empire plan is at $99.99. Now, the only difference between the starter, the Pro, and the Empire plan, and of course here I'm not marketing anything to you. I'm not an affiliate with Spocket, so the link that you're going to be using will not take you anywhere else. I might really be an affiliate in the future, but right now, as of now, I'm not an affiliate with Spocket. Let's come back to our point. The difference, for instance, here between the starter plan and the Pro plan is that for the starter plan, you only get to list 25 products on your listing. So let's go right here to the slide and see it in detail. So you only get 25 unique products to list. You get email support and you get 24/7 support, AliExpress dropshipping. So AliExpress dropshipping is supported. Now, of course, when I say 25 unique products, you cannot sell more than that automatically. Of course, you can sell more if you want on your store. You can even add 300 products on your store. Nobody's telling you anything. But with this software, for $29 per month, you only get to use it for 25 unique products. Now, the difference, the Pro plan is $20 plus, or $20 more than the starter plan, you can see. And the difference is you get 250 unique products plus 25 premium products. So in total, you can list up to 275 products on your store. You get a very interesting feature, which is branded invoicing. And branded invoicing is basically when a customer sends you an order or orders something from your store, you have the option in Shopify, and we're going to try to see that. Maybe we're going to see that in the course. You have this option of sending them what we call a custom invoice to their email address. Now, on that invoice, you can add your logo to the top. So this is branded invoicing, is you can add your logo at the top of the invoice to appear like a legit company. So this software offers you that. They offer you branded invoicing, 24/7 chat support, which is pretty much similar to the starter plan. AliExpress dropshipping is supported, and you get supplier communication and image search. Of course, this is not the only software out there. I might recommend you other software as the course goes along, because I'm going to keep updating this course. So for people that took it, cheer up. I can keep updating it. Also, if you were to mention this in the comments, and if you want me, for example, to mention something or to explain something that I didn't explain, or to add a section that I didn't add, you can actually request that in the comments section. But you might be asking, well, how does this work? How do we automate the process? Well, it's very simple. What you do is you link to the app, right? So there's an app, you download it from Shopify App Store, and you link that app to your Shopify website. That's it. And see you in the next lecture.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.